Sunshine. So today we're going to be unboxing one of my favorite snack box subscriptions, and this is Munchpak. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I'm sick again. It is summer. It is July. That's what month it is. It's July, and this is my second cold. Like, it's not just sinuses. It's my cold. I don't even know what I'm doing wrong. I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm not sleeping enough. That is why I keep getting sick. It's okay. I brought it on myself. So, Munchpak is literally... Okay, I can't say it's the best because I've only had it for 1 month, but this is my second box, and girl, I cannot tell you how excited I am to get into this box. Okay, so Munchpak is a monthly snack subscription. They offer a $10 a month plan, a $20 a month plan, and a $40 a month plan. The $10 month, you get like 5 snacks. The $20 month, you get 10 snacks, and the $40 month one, you get 20 snacks. I have the $20 a month snack. Hopefully one day I become a millionaire so I can do the $40 a month plan because, girl, I just cannot tell you the passion I have for this snack subscription. Basically, they send you snacks from all over the world, and basically it's just giving me the ability to travel with my tongue. And I literally, like, am so hyped to see what's in this month's box. So last month, my box was styled by Ronnie, so I have Ronnie again. I hope you did another good job this month, Ronnie, because... you killed my box last month. And another cool thing about Munchbox is, like, if you get a snack in there, in your box that you absolutely love, you can scan it in the Munchpak app and buy it off of their site. So it's not just, like, one and done where you're like, oh, I will never get that snack again. No, you can buy it off of their website. I think this is one of the coolest things ever. Okay, so I'm taking off my Munchpak paper, and we're gonna see what's in this box. I'm already excited. I see something very familiar. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Ooh, okay, so the way I'm gonna do it this time is I'm gonna pull out and taste test. I have a little thing of water here to like cleanse my taste buds. That was some suggestions that I saw you guys post in my other snack box subscriptions. So yeah, let's get into this. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is from one of, I am so excited right now. This is pure joy on my face. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is from my favorite potato chip manufacturer. It's Zapp's potato chips. They have voodoo chips and they sell them at Wawa, and Wawa is like a place that I feel so passionately about, and they sell Zapp's there, and I love Zapp's potato chips, so I'm really excited about this. Okay, so this is Zapp's potato chips, the dill chip with zip, pot belly brand dill pickle flavored chips. And then it says Zapp's New Orleans kettle style pot belly brand dill pickle potato chips, crunchy kettle style chips with a tangy pickle flavor and Cajun style spice. This is from the USA. Oh man, I am so excited. I love these. These are literally so fun to do. Okay, so we got our potato chips. Is dill pickle is my favorite flavor. So you hear the crunch? Wait, hold on. One thing I do not love about Zapp's potato chips is, like, you get one chip that's, like, punching you in the face, like, 8 times with flavor, and then you have, like, other chips that are, like, not very well seasoned. So, I just got a chip that was, like, not very well seasoned, so I'm gonna try another one, and hopefully this one's better seasoned. I was expecting a lot more flavor out of these, knowing, like, I've eaten Zapp's chips for, like, years now, and these were not as flavorful as I was expecting them to be. Like, I expected to get punched in the face with flavor. However, I will be completely fair. My taste buds might be a little off. I had hot wings, like naked hot wings for lunch, and they were spicy. So maybe my taste buds are a little off today. But that's okay, because I still get to try new foods. I'm really, really excited. These were still good. They just weren't as flavorful as I know Zapp's can be. But I also know that there's a problem I've had with Zapp's potato chips before, where, like, there will be certain chips that are, like, super flavorful versus not flavorful. And the same thing applies with bags of potato chips, where they have certain bags that are, like, perfectly seasoned, and they have other bags that are really lacking or even overpowering. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. Okay. Churimas con limikoto crunchy corn strips with a spicy chili and lemon flavor from Mexico. Okay, let's try it. I'm so hyped to get into this. Ooh, they smell like lemon. Okay. Oh, I was expecting these to be like actual like churros, but they're not. They're like potato sticks. I love the lemon flavor from this. Oh my god. So they do have a little bit of heat to them, but it's not horrible. You guys know I'm a freaking spice baby. I cannot handle. Oh, no, I didn't speak too soon. It just hit me down the back of my throat. These are good. These are crunchy. They have a very bright taste, but I definitely still get some spice. Definitely in the back of my throat. I actually really, really like these. I've never tasted anything like this in America. I almost just spilled the bag. But I really love how bright I keep saying lime when I actually mean lemon. I love how bright the lemon taste is. The next thing I'm pulling out is something I'm already familiar with, and I love these things so much. This is the Lottie Koala's March chocolate flavor. Crunchy koala shaped cookies filled with sweet chocolate cream from Thailand. I always thought these were all from Australia. I've gotten these at Five Below before. And I taste tested these out when I did an international candy taste testing video. It says, who is this koala? I don't know if you guys can see. You can see identity on the bottom of the box and use it as the message card. Wear something, go to the bottom of the box. I don't know what that means. But I mean, that's a little fun information just for whatever is at the bottom of the box. What's at the bottom of the box? I'm very lost. There's nothing there. Okay, whatever. Okay, so these are from Thailand. That's funny. Maybe I'm just assumed that they were from Australia because they were koalas. But the packaging's really cute. Let me pause for a second before I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of hard to see. But they've got different little koalas. It kind of reminds me of Hello Kitty just a little bit. I can't wait to get into these. These are oh my god, I love these things so much. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, so we got little I would just freak out because yeah, they're chocolate filled crackers, but girl, there's so much more to them because they all have their own little identity. It's like you're eating an actual person. Well, that's weird. That's not what I mean, but do you know what I mean? Oh yeah, these are so good. They are filled. It ain't no half filling business up in this joint. No, it's full. I feel like these would be really good in popcorn. Look, another identity. Is he okay? He's crying because he got hurt. I better put him out of his misery. So good. The next thing that I'm pulling out is granuts coated and roasted peanuts. Salty and crunchy roasted peanuts from Colombia. Okay, I didn't know peanuts were a part of the culture in Colombia. I didn't know. I mean, that just goes to show how little I know about other cultures, but this is a chance to educate me, so I'm really excited. Okay, crunchy roasted peanuts. Whoa, Colombia, you're onto something. Wow. Okay, so have you guys ever had the sweet roasted peanuts? They have some kind of sugar coating on the outside. I want to say I don't know what it's called, but they taste sweet. They're a sweet roasted peanut. They have that nice outer crunch. They have the nice outer crunch of a corn nut, but they are salty roasted peanuts. I literally cannot remember what the roasted peanut is called, but it's the roasted peanuts that Planters makes, or whatever the peanut guy is, the guy in the peanut suit, and he's a peanut, but he's got the tuck suit on, that. But these are salty, but they're not overpowering. They're lightly salty and very light, but they still feel really satisfying in my mouth. I love the crunch, and they have the perfect amount of salt to them. And I actually I'm so shook because I really like these too. Wow, I feel so happy that I'm learning about new foods and new cultures, and this is amazing. Okay, so everything else that we have in our box is some form of sweet, and I'm so I don't know what to pick next. Okay, I'm just gonna go in clockwise order. The next thing that I'm pulling out is Artec Classic Wafers. Crunchy vanilla wafers filled with sweet caramel milk cream from Russia. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get into these. Oh, I hope they're vanilla wafers, the texture of vanilla wafer. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my gosh, so much passion in my voice. These things are huge. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. I love the texture of these. They're like the Nabisco wafers, I think is what they are. And I promise you guys, in real life, like if you were to sit down and have lunch with me, I still talk with my mouth full. Like I have such poor manners when it comes to like table manners. I literally get so excited when we're discussing things that I like will talk with my mouth open full of food. So you're getting the real like 100%. This is like a real eating experience with me. Okay. I really, really love the texture of these, and I love that they're not overpoweringly sweet. Like, it's like a delicate, like I get caramel, and like normally the wafer would be too sweet for me to taste the caramel, but I definitely get the caramel. They have a very, very like almost exactly the same texture as the Nabisco, like the, what are they called? The peanut butter, I can't think of anything right now. The peanut butter, Nutty Buddies. The Nutty Buddies. That's what this reminds me of, is a Nutty Buddy, but with caramel. Okay, so the next thing I'm trying is Ulker Cat Tat with cocoa filling. Fluffy and crunchy. I said country, but I meant crunchy. Fluffy and crunchy pastry filled with sweet cocoa hazelnut cream. Okay, if they didn't have the sticker right here, I'd be like, bruh, is this a chocolate covered hot dog? Okay, so cocoa hazelnut cream. Let's try. I'm excited. Oh, it's broken. Oh, no. Oh, it looks like a, well, they did say pastry. I should have been prepared for more brokenness. Okay, I'm just going to have to shove this in my mouth because I really do not want to make a mess. Okay. It's okay. We saved some of it. So, like, here is broken off, but this is what the pastry looks like. Oh, who is this from? This is from Turkey. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what Turkey's representing. It's so messy. I didn't get any chocolate. This is just pastry. In case you couldn't understand me, is I didn't get any chocolate, only pastry, so now I have to take another bite. I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed in this one because you guys saw how big the pastry was, and literally I had to eat like half of the bar to even get like a lick of chocolate. Like, look how much is left, and that's where all the chocolate is. Like, all of the chocolate settled on the other side, so I'm like sad about that. I mean, it wasn't horrible. I really just got like pastry taste. It's okay. I wouldn't like go out of my way to eat that again, but I wouldn't decline it if it was like offered to me. But like, I just feel sad because all this chocolate settled to the bottom. So it was literally just like messy pastry. And that's the only thing that I've been like kind of like about, where everything else has been like, heck yeah, like this is amazing. So like, so far, one thing out of this entire box that I have been like about, like I'm not mad about it at all. Let's get into the next thing. The next thing that I'm pulling out is, I don't know why my voice, I feel like my voice squeaks every time I say that. The next thing that I'm pulling out is yummy banana slices. Chewy and tangy banana flavored gummies from Turkey. Okay, Turkey, let's see if this one's any better. Oh, they're like sugar-coated banana. And it smells so good. It literally smells like banana, like candied bananas. I'm not a huge fan of like banana flavored things. Like, I have to be really careful because I'm actually allergic to bananas. So I'm not gonna have more than one of these, but I don't really like banana flavored things too much. However, this has a really nice, like, gentle banana flavor, and I really, really hate gummy candy. I hate gummy candy. The only gummy candy that I like is from Trolley. Everything else I hate, but this I like, and these are gummies. So I'm kind of shocked that I found gummy candy. Well, actually, Munchpak found it for me, but I'm shocked that I ate gummy candy that I actually enjoyed, and these banana flavors. So delicate. I wish they had a scent like this delicate. Like, it's so nice and refreshing. The next thing that I am pulling out is this. Another banana thing. JJ Bakery's Banana Cream Pie. Soft and flaky glazed pie with sweet banana cream filling from the USA. I've never heard of this. I've never had it. It says ready to eat or try them warm. Oh my god. Ooh, I don't even know. Oh, I was expecting like more packaging, so way to go, guys, for not doing excessive packaging. Way to go, JJ's Bakery. Okay, this thing is huge. Oh my god, I was not expecting it to be this big. Okay, again, I'm allergic to banana, so this is going to be a one and done type of thing. But here we go. Oh. Wow. That's amazing, guys. I hope they have chocolate flavors. Where can I get this? Where in the USA is this from? I feel like it's from Kentucky. No, it says Erie, Pennsylvania is where this is made in. But I live by Pennsylvania and I've never seen this before in my entire life. So I'm like actually like legitimately I'm like butthurt. I'm hurt that I've never seen these before in my life. But these are really, really good. But I cannot eat any more because I can like feel an allergic reaction starting. So let's hope I don't go full on allergic reaction. My body settles down a little bit, but it was worth it if I do have an allergic reaction. Both of these items were absolutely worth it. Okay, next thing is the Colonial Cranky Chocolate Corn Flakes from Mexico. Crunchy and crispy cornflakes covered with milk chocolate. Okay, I live by University of Delaware, and University of Delaware has like a creamery. And my boyfriend and I were gonna go there the other day, but the line was just way too long. But they had a flavor of ice cream called Under the Sea. And it was graham crackers, vanilla ice cream, I think, and chocolate covered goldfish. Like chocolate covered cheddar flavored goldfish. And I was like, I kind of want to try that because that just sounds so interesting. I'm struggling to open this. I now have to go get scissors. I'm really excited to try these little snacks. Okay. Put these in some chocolate milk and you'll be set to go. Like eat these as cereal with chocolate milk. You will be set to go. So I'm kind of getting like an artificial chocolate taste. Like if you guys don't know this about me, I'm very picky about my lollipops and I'm very picky about my chocolate. I know when chocolate isn't real chocolate. Like I just get this taste in my mouth and I really don't like it. So let's see if that's what this is, or maybe I'm just like, I don't even know. Yes, it says cornflakes with artificially flavored chocolate coating. So if you aren't as picky as I am about your chocolate, I think you would like these. However, I'm very picky about my chocolate and it just makes me feel so stuck up, and I promise you guys I'm not stuck up and I'm not a picky eater. I like these. I love the idea of these. I just don't like the artificial chocolate flavor. However, I feel like if I put these in some like as cereal, oh, I would be set to go with chocolate milk as my milk. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Unhealthy eating habits. Here we go. The last thing that we are pulling out is it chocolate coins? Okay, what? Zacer's Gelt pineapple coins. Chewy pineapple flavored taffy covered in a golden coin foil from Israel. I know I loved the snack that I got from last month from Israel, so I'm excited to see what these are all about. So here's what the little coins look like. So these feel hard like wax and it's white, so you won't be able to see it, but it still has like the coin impression from the tinfoil on the taffy. So here we go, pineapple flavored taffy. Okay, so that took a little while to get down because it was taffy and it was a nice chewy taffy. It wasn't stringy, it wasn't too sticky, and it had a really bright fresh pineapple taste. I don't know, it tasted very, very summery to me, so I do like those. Okay, so I spent $22 for this box, and here's everything that I got. I got pineapple flavored taffy from Israel, chocolate covered cereal from Mexico, banana cream pie from the United States, chocolate filled koala cookies from Thailand, banana flavored candy gummies from Turkey, crunchy peanuts from Colombia, corn chips with a chili and lime flavor from Mexico, Zapp's dill pickle potato chips from the United States, a chocolate filled pastry from Turkey, and caramel flavored waffles from Russia. So out of everything, I think my top 3 items today are going to be the waffles, the wafers from Russia, the crunchy peanuts from Colombia, and I've already had these, so I guess I was a little biased, but these are also like, they're just so chocolatey and so amazing. These are from Thailand, but I'm also pleasantly surprised by the taffy from Israel. I'm not really a huge taffy girl, but I love the pineapple and I love the consistency of the taffy. So that is it for my July's Munchpak unboxing. What did you guys think of this box? What is something that you would like to see? What is a really popular snack in your state or your country? I would really, really love to know. Like, I can't wait to read these comments and like hear from you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.